Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, showing you step 2 of how to set up an RTA job using the adhesive template. So we've already got our artboard named, and now is the time to either pick up the artwork or design the artwork. So if it was a pickup order, it would tell you in the design notes here where to pull the artwork from, and then in that case, you would find the artwork, you would copy it and paste it directly into this template here. So this one we are designing from scratch, so it's telling us employees only, 24 inches wide by proportionate height using Futura font. So first we're just going to go ahead and copy the text here. Then we're going to click into here and hit T to bring up our type tool, and we're just going to go ahead and paste that type in. It's real small, so we're going to make it so we can see it. So now we're going to choose our font, and Futura PT is already selected, and that's exactly what we are going to use. And we're also going to use Demi, so that's good. We're going to change the color next, and so if we take a look at the color, it's 065. And so we've got all the colors up here, so we're just going to hit the eyedrop tool with I, and we're going to find 065 right here. So we're just going to eyedrop that, and you can see that the color has changed. Okay, so next it's time to size up the artwork appropriately. So up here on the transform, we could set our width to 24, and the height doesn't matter because the job is calling for proportionate height. And now you can see that due to the way that Illustrator handles the boxes, the bounding box around the type, that this isn't actually 24 inches wide because we've already set our artboard to 24 inches wide. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and first switch this over to optical because it'll look better. I'm going to hold down Alt, and I'm going to click and shift a copy down, and then I'm going to do Control Shift O to outline this. And now we're going to make the outline version 24 inches wide. And the reason that we're keeping a live text version is simply if there are design changes or revision that's going on, or if in the future they want something similar or a small change that we still have live text off the artboard. So next we're going to do a Shift O, and that's going to bring up the artboard tool, and we're just going to bring the artboard down to the bottom of the text because we didn't know what that height was going to be initially. So now you can see that our artwork's framed up nicely. And yeah, that's it for this step. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.